This is Mel's Northern, number 4409. The engine was originally built by Clark Sims at his locomotive works at Moss Beach, California. The engine is modeled after a Southern Pacific GS1 4400 type engine, and it's numbered 4449. Numbers are yet to be applied. The engine's a little engine, 3/4 inch scale engine, and it runs on 3.5 inch track. The engine was completed in the fall of 1998, at which time Mel acquired the engine. Mel has had some additions made to the engine. And as you probably know, Mel has run the engine most every Sunday at the GGLS Hydrack until about 2017. Chris Smith began overhauling the engine in 2017 with the help of his father, doing some machine work and the help of several other individuals. The complete overhaul from the ground up was undertaken and completed. Some aspects of the overhaul included new axles, new turret, slop eliminated from the valve gear, newly honed cylinders, bores, new rings, new springs have been redone to put more weight on the engine drivers. Mel had a lot of problems with pushing on that roundhouse curve. It would derail because it wasn't tracking properly. All new plumbing. Okay, the engine is now running better than ever and will hopefully be seen running for many more hours at the GGLS track. The usual concepts of the engine pulls is the riding car, the propane car, and the caboose. So, we're welcoming Mel's new rebuilt, overhauled engine back to the track. We'd like to see it run. If you have any questions, Mel and Chris Smith are available. All right.
I'd like to comment on this engine. It's a very unique engine, occupying its own special niche, its own special place, going back to the early days of the founders. Because this engine has run about 18 years calmly every week and has a lot of mileage and on it over the years. And so having been rebuilt, refurbished, it's ready for another 18 years. You could say that this engine is a legacy engine, so that when I pass the machine, it's going to be a great engine for whoever takes possession of it. So anyway, I'm grateful to various members, especially Bob Cohen, Chris Lego, who made these control rods, make it much easier to operate. And so not having the technical skills, these members have helped this engine be running very regularly. So I say it's good to have one engine, but to keep that engine running well. Could pull perhaps 6 to 8 people easily with no sweat, thanks to the rebuilding of it. So the important thing that was done, in addition to what Mark already mentioned, was that the equalized springing was readjusted so more weight was put on the drivers. And this makes all the difference in the world. So this is great. So I have 3 ways, very good ways of getting water to the boiler. The axle pump, which works excellently. Then the steam water pump, which has been very great for me. And now I have an injector that works, so keeping water in the boiler is no difficulty at all. Also, new burners were installed. So I have greater BTUs, a greater distribution, better distribution of the heat. So the engine appearance, being painted blue is different too. It's a different engine, it's a different experience, and as I say, you can just look at it and you can feel its presence. So, Chris, is there anything you'd like to add about what you did to make it run so beautifully?
Just doing it once, doing it right. Trying to do everything right the first time. New axles, new bearings, new rings, new pistons, newly honed bores for the cylinders by Vince. Andy over here actually painted the tender and the boiler, and we call it Vercelli blue because it turned out to be a teal. And he took black in dumped it in so we can never replicate it. So don't scratch it up now. I can't get that color back.
So let's see it run. Come on.
But yeah, it's been quite an adventure. 13 months. I think I promised him the chili run at the beginning of this year, and that was way too optimistic.
And you may notice the steam pump has been operating this whole time, and you can barely hear it.
It's nice.
The water is being metered.
Right now it's being pushed in. It has all new plumbing, everything's simplified for ease of operation and maintenance.
So don't put it on the ground.
Yeah. I'd definitely like to thank Vince for all his help in shop time, especially with the cylinders, and also helping me press the axle. That's quite a butt-clenching moment, pressing the tiny little drivers onto the axles, and my dad for the axles, and then of course Vince Andy for the paint, and of course Anthony's not here, but he gave me a lot of guidance, and he actually CNC'd a brand new turret on his machine, and it has all the what each valve does. A lot of improvement went into the locomotive, and I think Mel's gonna notice it for years to come. Why don't you take her for a spin, Mel?
Let's see it go, Mel.
Yeah.
Highball.
No, we don't want to do that.
Come on, man. Highball. All right.
妈，这就还有个小林的那个，小林我好玩，现在大胡子吃的。哦，不是好，不是。
Vince, what was this about the paint job and the honing?
Oh no, well, Chris had access to my shop, so he used the glass beater, made a mess.
Yeah. But you helped with the honing and you helped with the paint job? And
Yeah, the sleeves were pretty pitted, so we rebored the sleeves, and then pistons were made to fit the new bore.
Wow, wonderful job.
And Chris did a good job on that.
Thank you.
And just tell them your services are available for other people who are in.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Yes.
Oh!
saw the photo. We're pulling grease down.
Yeah, it did. That's cool.
various things under repair. And we had a real issue of not having enough people to do repairs and so forth. And we actually actively discussed it.
Definitely conquered